Hi, welcome back to our channel HardReset.Info. In this video, let me show you how to customize wallpaper and style on Android 16. So on your home screen, you want to long press an empty space like this, and let's select wallpaper and style. So now let's go to wallpapers right here, and basically you can select your own photo from your gallery to set it as your wallpaper. Additionally, you can apply some live effects to your photo. Additionally, you can use those AI wallpaper section, emoji workshop, and some system collections. But let me show you how you can set your own photo as your wallpaper. I will press choose a photo at the top. And now from my gallery, I want to select specific photo that I want to set as my wallpaper. This is the preview of my lock screen and my home screen. This is how it will look like. Additionally, at the bottom side of your screen, you can see effects button. Let's go here. And here you can see different effects that you can apply to your wallpaper, of course, if you want to. So those are shape section. Those are those frames, and additionally you can change the background of photo and its intensity, its shade. Additionally, let's go to weather section, and here you can add some effects such as fog, rain, snow, or sun, for example. Yes, and let's go to cinematic, and here as well you will see different effects that you can apply to your photo. So I will go without effects, then tap next in the top right. You can review how your wallpaper looks like, and if you are satisfied with how it looks like, you want to press apply button at the bottom side of the screen. But I will go back and show you some other sections. So let's suppose that I want to select wallpaper that is being generated by AI. So I want to select a section that I like, for example this one, and this is the wallpaper that AI generated for me. So you can see the wallpaper itself and some kind of sentence. Additionally, you can ask AI to make new wallpaper for you. Yes, so like this, those are the two options that are available. And additionally, at the top, you can see different styles that you can use. So when you're ready with when you are happy with how it looks like, you want to tap this arrow in the top right, then tap next button, and again press apply if you're happy with how it looks like. So yeah, that is basically it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.